on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Drive fast and just slam it. Go. Go. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to be making a video on how to flip a car. And as you can see right now, I'm actually in the car that I purchased for this challenge. And I'll show you in the next clip that I actually purchased this car from the money that I made from my last video where I spent $5,000 on a bunch of crap. I'm going to show you that I actually made all my money back and then some. So I profited some money on top of the $5,000. So this is right here what I have to show for it. I spent around $5,000, maybe a little less on all that crap. And now I have over $8,000 right here. I actually asked you guys to challenge me to flip an item. So I got challenged to do a lot of cool stuff. I got challenged to flip Jordans. I got challenged to flip an electric skateboard. I got challenged to flip iPhone X's. I had a bunch of good challenges, but one of the challenges that stood out, flip a used car.
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
So I actually took this challenge and I accepted it right there and then. As you can see on my comment, I'm like, challenge is accepted. So I'm going to show you guys pretty much the process that I had to go through to flip this car. Sometimes buying a used car is a headache because you always run into surprises. So this money that I made from flipping all those items, I'm gonna go out there and buy a used car with this. A lot of people have been calling my bills fake. Keep in mind, I'm from Canada. The Canadian bills look like this. This is what a Canadian $100 bill looks like. These are the Canadian 50s, so they're red. These are not fake bills. A lot of people have been calling me out on a lot of my videos saying my bills are fake. These are 100% real bills, a little more than $8,000. I still have a bunch of Google Homes left, a bunch of those iPhone 5Cs for sale, and I still have that iMac 27-inch for sale. I actually had a $1,700 offer, and I got a little greedy. I'm trying to get at least $1,800. So I literally just sold that 27-inch 5K iMac. So here's a print screen of the e-transfer that I received from this guy. So I ended up selling the iMac for $1,850. That's $1,850. I bought that iMac for $1,000. I made $850 profit. Once I sell everything, I'll profit over $5,000. So right here is the money. Here's the proof. Real bills.
A bunch of hundreds, bunch of 50s.
A few moments later.
I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. What's your YouTube channel? She doesn't talk much. What's your YouTube channel? Yeah, she's not friendly. She's really shy in front of cameras, but trust me, off camera, never shuts up. Never shuts up.
Okay, like
I'll see you guys in a jiffy when I'm in front of my new beautiful car. I'm gonna tell them that my bank was closed and I could not pull out no more money.
A bunch of hundreds, bunch of 50s.
Hopefully he doesn't watch this video. I'll see you guys soon. Should have guessed. What car do I have? Do you think I'm gonna get?
I don't.
Go, take a guess. What car? A Tesla. A Charger? Another one? I already bought a Dodge Charger and I flipped it and I ripped it. Take another guess. What do you think I'm gonna get? Come on.
I don't fucking care. Cut that out.
Oh, I'm not cutting that out. She's so stupid.
Turn right onto Mavis Road.
A
Yeah.
Challenger this time.
A Challenger. What?
Volkswagen Golf.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I mean, nothing against Volkswagens. That was my first car. Maserati. It's a Lamborghini.
Mercedes.
Getting closer.
BMW.
No! No!
An Audi.
I actually was gonna get an Audi, but then he didn't respond because my low ball was too low.
All of the fucking cars in the
See the attitude I have to deal with? Okay, well, we're almost here, guys. Oh, it looks nice from the front, though. It seemed like there had to be more work done to it, and the seller was already misleading me because he did not even tell me that there was any damage to the car. When he turned the car on and I listened to the engine, it just sounded funny. Does it sound weird? So as you can see from this clip, the car just sounds weird. I'm this close to suicide. I did not get my car. Drive fast and just slam it. Go. Go. Slam it. Slam it. Not fast enough. So the deal with the BMW did not go through. So I'm about to check out another vehicle. The seller had it up for $4,500. He's pretty firm on his price, but I talked him down to 4,000. It's still a really good deal. It sucks looking at a car at nighttime, but why are you selling it?
I am just like buying this.
Yeah. Are you ever available during the day? I'm gonna go pick up the car right now. I'm not gonna let you guys know what it is yet, but I'm gonna show you real soon. We finally came to an agreement. He initially had the car up for $4,500, and I talked him down to 4,000. I went to look at the car. I complained about a lot of stuff, and then I talked him down to $3,800. So right now I have $3,800 cash. Actually, it's $3,790. I'm gonna try to get another $10. Yeah. And hopefully he accepts it. It's all here cash. I know a lot of people think my bills are fake, but they're not fake. This is Canadian money. Nyai. What customization do you do on it?
A lower suspension, first stage tuning, exhaust, cold air intake. These are, and the stage 1 clutch.
Stage 1 clutch, yeah.
If you're comfortable in it, then do it.
I mean, if the clutch is good.
Yeah.
Tell me what.
I'm already recording. Probably slow down because you're flying. Can you get the speedometer on here?
I don't know, can you? I don't want to rip it now because that guy might have. I'm not gonna rip it. Okay, fine.
On a new level. I'm on a new level.
Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about flipping cars. I am going to be making another part of this video where I actually sell the car. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, then smash that subscribe button. And that's it for now. Bye-bye. Because I'm investing hustler. What's up, guys? What do you think of my new car?
What?
What do you think of
I
it?
didn't see it yet.
Oh, she's lying. She saw it. She doesn't like it. She says that when she doesn't like something. Asshole.
That's the cold air intake.
Okay, the cold air.
Yeah.
Kiss 92.5 with Kayla.
Man, she still pushes good. What do you think of my new car?
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, she's so honest. You like it, eh? What do you like the most about it? Okay, yeah, that's funny. I know I'm that funny.
In 600 meters, turn
Seriously.
left onto Craig Carrier
What do you
Court.
like about my car?
Everything.
Everything. Oh man. Seemed like there had to be more work done to it, and the seller was already misleading me because he did not even tell me that there was any damage to the car. And on top of that, when I was driving the car, it just didn't feel right. When you push down on the gas, the car just had no power. Something just felt off with the vehicle. I was actually negotiating with a bunch of other people. I was looking at other cars too. I was looking at a Mercedes. There was another deal. It seemed like a really good deal, almost too good to be true. An Audi A4. It was a 2010 Audi A4. He had it up for $4,500. So me and him, we talked it down to $4,000. It was nighttime. I told him I wanted to look at the car during the day. So during that night, I was negotiating the price with him. I actually ended up talking him down to $3,750. And then that's the car that I actually ended up buying. That's the car that I'm in right now. This car is a lot of fun to drive. It's a manual 6-speed car. It's been customized. It has a cold air intake. It has a new clutch. The suspension has been lowered. Holy, it's hot, man. So I'm actually boiling and sweating my ass off for this video. So I really hope you guys appreciate it and enjoy it.